Okay, one more thing. Can you say hi to our freelancing school very student and our audience?
Say hi.
Thank
Hi.
you so much. Thank you
Right.
so much.
Thank you.
Okay, I think you would like to get some discount. Am I right?
If it's possible, because the channel is new and still no monetization. So if you can let me know, it'd be
Okay, okay,
fine.
there is no
Okay.
problem. Okay, just let me discuss my boy. ওনাকে কি বাজেট নিয়ে কিছু বলছেন?
ভাইয়া, এর আগে হচ্ছে মানে ওনার সাথে কথা হওয়ার সময় আমার আপনি যে বাজেট তৈরি করার ইটা দিচ্ছিলেন, আমি ওইটাই ওনাকে পাঠাইছিলাম। তো এখানে ওই যে 7 দিনের একটা ডিরেকশন ছিল, $120 10টা ভিডিও এসিও আর কি।
Hello, sir.
How are you, Sakib?
We are doing very well, sir. Can you open your camera, please, if you have no issue? Okay. Nice to see you. How are you, sir?
Fine, Alhamdulillah. Fine.
Oh, you're Muslim.
Yes,
Oh, where are you from?
from Egypt.
Oh,
Egypt. Yes.
oh. Yes, I have already worked another person. Okay, sir, thank you so much for joining with us. Can I start my presentation, please?
Okay.
At first, I'll have to introduce about ourselves. Myself, Rifat Shorkar, and in here you can see another person. His name is Sakib, you know. And Sakib, he is reach out to you. And we are working together and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. And this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, so for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available, and we are SEO expert, you know, because if you search on YouTube just my name, Rifat Shorkar, then you can find out my picture first. In here you can see my Facebook, and in here you can see my YouTube channel. Just search on YouTube by my name. So it's SEO power. If you optimize your videos very effectively, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your keyword, your name, your channel's name, your targeted keyword, then your videos will show YouTube and Google top search results. So this is the SEO power actually. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you, sir.
No, I understand these points, and I know that you will do the SEO of the videos. Is that right?
Yes.
Is there anything called the SEO of the channel itself? Is this another item?
Another item means?
SEO of the channel.
Yes, SEO and organic promotion.
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, what we will do, what you will do
We have
is
to, yes, we have
yeah.
to do for you. We will do for you. We have to first research your niche, research your keyword, research your channel, and then
Yes.
we have to find out your channel and your niche related keyword.
Okay.
If you
Okay, I get it.
create blogging video, then we have to find out blogging type of keyword, and then we
Okay.
have to input this type of keyword your videos backend section. I already mentioned your videos title, description, and text section. In this way, we have to optimize your videos. So this is the video optimization process actually. And then we have to optimize your whole channel. Like you know, your
Yes.
channels have a description and channel upload default, channel keyword, etc. And we have to optimize your channel whole section. And when we optimize your channel, etc. and videos, then your channel will shows YouTube and Google top search result.
Okay. Okay, I get it. Fine.
Yeah, so can I explain our packages, budget, etc.?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, just let me discuss my boy. ওনাকে কি বাজেট নিয়ে কিছু বলছেন?
ভাইয়া, এর আগে হচ্ছে মানে ওনার সাথে কথা হওয়ার সময় আমার আপনি যে বাজেট তৈরি করার ইটা দিচ্ছিলেন, আমি ওইটাই ওনাকে পাঠাইছিলাম। তো এখানে ওই যে 7 দিনের একটা ডিরেকশন ছিল, $120 10টা ভিডিও এসিও আর কি।
হুম।
তো উনি এটা আর কি পারচেস করতে চাইছিলেন, যে মানে 10টা ভিডিওর কথা বলছিলেন আর কি।
আচ্ছা, okay. Okay, I have discussed my boy. Right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package. I think you know already about my boy send you about this budget. And in this package we have to complete SEO optimization including organic promotion, you 10 videos in a week. And our 10 videos package cost is $120. And also we have a premium package, and in this package we have to complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion, your 30 videos in 30 days, and including your whole channel optimization in premium package. And our premium package cost is only 300 US dollar. And my boy told me you are interested in our basic plan for fast. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can purchase our basic package, and after this package, if you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with the result, then you can choose any package. And your satisfaction is our first priority, because we know if you grow, we will grow. So this is our first priority actually. And we are growth partner. Okay.
Fine.
Okay, so for start our work, we need your channel access fast, but still we no need your channel login information like password, Gmail, etc. because it's your privacy. You can share this information with anyone. We just need your channel access by as a manager or as an editor. Do you know how to give? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you so much. After finish our meeting, my boy will send you his email address, then all of information. Then you can make him your channel's manager or editor. Okay.
You told me that you have a new offer for me. You will tell me in the meeting. You told me this. Is that right?
If you have any question, then I can answer you.
No, it's not matter of money, but in the last few days, about 2 weeks ago, I have been having many offers. I don't know why for editing my channel. You are one of them, and I have many offers, other offers about with $8 per video with promotion and SEO. So if you have any other improvement of this offer or any final offer, I will be happy to hear. I can send you the screenshot of this offer. This is true. I can send you the screenshot of some YouTube expert, SEO experts emailed me. I don't know them, but I have many offers less than your offer. I'm sorry, but if you can improve your offer, I will be happy.
Okay, I think you would like to get some discount. Am I right?
If it's possible, because the channel is new and I still no monetization. So if you can let me know.
Okay, there is no problem. Then my boy will send you. My boy, he can make you some discount, and he will send you in invoice, Google Sheet. Then he will send you um the pricing list after discount. Okay, I think it
Okay.
will be better. And
Okay.
result is first priority. Okay, so our first priority is the quality, not just quantity or cheap price. So if you
Yes.
if you want to get the better quality, then you want to pay some better money. So this is the
Yes.
process actually. This is the rules.
Yes. I understand.
But there
Yes.
is no problem. It's our fast project, fast deal. So that's why he can
Yes.
make you some discount. And after that, if you see yes, it's working and you are satisfied with our work, then you can just purchase and collaborate with us for a long time. So there is no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I think you are very busy
Yeah.
person, and right now you on the car, so you are very busy person. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, one more thing. Can you say hi to our freelancing school very student and our audience?
Say hi.
Thank
Hi.
you so much. Thank you so much for our
Thank you. I'm
audience.
happy. It's nice to meet you. It was a very nice meeting.
Nice
Thank you.
to meet you too, sir. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.